customize our little storytelling, we would want our story to take any unexpected turns. Most people would channel into enchanted world, travel through the pages of books. Others who visit in person, whether it be through a rabbit hole or with a little bit of help with pixie dust. Find a way to be magical or even menacing. Don't worry, folks. Even though it looks like we're going through the jaws of Monster the Witch, we're actually being transported to a magical place called Storybook Land.
Here we come out. Okay, oh, I just went, you know, me and my nose. I can't even explain it how much I
And just like all stories are stories once upon a time. And the Big Bad Wolf is in the cave just to our left. The Big Bad Wolf is always after those 3 little pigs, but luckily for the 3 little pigs, they live across the way. In a house made of straw, a house made of sticks, and a house made of getting out of guaranteed.
I think that's the Frozen Castle.
And then here our story takes a very strange turn.
Right? Like, wouldn't it be?
Oh, look, they even have them out for Christmas time. They have the little
We're walking in
hollies on
afternoon. She
them.
called her back down, and found her way into Wonderland. Things there only became more curiouser and curiouser. Alice in Wonderland. Storybook Land's full of places that inspire storytellers to say, like one part. Peter Pan, John, Wendy, and Michael Darling flew for the first time with a little bit of help from those pixie dust to Neverland. So they would never ever have to grow up. Places like Agrabah, City of Mystery and Wonder, where a genie rat named Aladdin bumped into Princess Jasmine for the first time in the marketplace when she stole her heart. Even though the two were from 2 very different worlds, with a little bit of hope of love and the power of a genie. They lived happily ever after and married and lived till today on the top of the hill.
Good job.
Forever, just like the roses above us in the archway, the same one. And Aladdin and Jasmine soared over sideways and under on their magic carpet ride to a whole new world.
It's like the archway that
All stories are filled with light and love. Some stories have dark places, places of mystery, like the Cave of Wonders ahead. It says here that a treasure has a curse that can only be lifted from the genie. Legend also has it that whoever frees the genie will be granted 3 magical wish. Let's make a wish and see if it comes through. What's your wish for? Snow White wished for a safe place to sleep from the evil queen, where she found cozy forest cottage to our right, only the 7th floor. There, they gave her shelter and returned her her kindness as a thank you. You might even still be able to do it with
Oh, it's 12 o'clock midnight. On the Sleeping Beauty's castle.
Oh,
You know, that's when she turned back into a pumpkin.
The chateau on our left, her fairy godmother granted her wish, and then she was able to go to the ball. And even though she didn't leave by the stroke of midnight, her cottage turned into a pumpkin, which is still on the bridge. But luckily for Cinderella, even though magic does have its limits, love does not, and she lived happily ever after with her prince in the castle on top of the hill.
Castle, that's right.
pumpkin carriage.
While some people wish for happily ever after, others have dreams of going to sleep on boats made of flowers. Like that of the patchwork quilt to our left, inspired by the silly 1933 cartoon, Lullaby Land. And with the help of Tinkerbell and her pixie dust, these small flowers will never ever have to grow up. It's one of the many things that made Storybook Land a favorite of master storyteller himself, Walt Disney, and continues to inspire stories till this day.
Duck, I know it, duck, duck's happy duck. Oh, well, good duck. Oh, I know.
Sorry, like the flip is all here. Mr. Hole, that update that he's chose. Yes, that is on our left. Sorry, folks, Mr. Joe's not home right now, as he is on a motorhome journey as well, particularly to nowhere. It's stories like that of Frozen. The character, ship at anchor. Oh, really? There, this is on up. Their friends, Christoph, Olaf, and Sven.
Oh, this is beautiful. I like it.
Yeah, it
That
is.
is the power of love.
Yeah.
So a powerful thing in storytelling. Like
Oh, that's the pie here.
And after the process, they will tell you I'm a whale.
If you have a 2-year-old, it's decent.
Yeah.
Hey, that's it.
Yeah. Cool.
What's that?
The Wish of the Little Mermaid, you wish to become part of our world.
That's a toy.
Ariel lived at home under the sea. She fell prepared to tackle on our right. Her story actually starts with the shadow of her father. He tried to
That's like
escape to
under the sea.
on our left.